is up, guys? It is your boy Layvon Case, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Fire TV Cube second generation. As you can see here, it has, Amazon's voice assistant built in. It has, 4K Ultra HD support, high dynamic range, and hexa-core processor. As you can see, this is the back. Control your TV with your voice. The fastest, most powerful Fire TV. It talks about the hexa-core processor. And yeah, let's get to unboxing. So I already kind of tore this apart, so that way it can be easier to unbox with one hand. So let's see what's in this. Alright, so what's this? This is the power cable, 15 watt. This is the adapter, Ethernet adapter. And this is the IR receiver. That's what they call it. This is the Amazon Fire Cube itself, as you can see right here. This is the remote, the updated remote. And where are the freaking batteries? Batteries right here. So as you can see here, this is everything that comes with the Amazon Fire Cube box. And a couple of extra other stuff. Quick start guides and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm going to be, playing with this thing, see what this thing is capable of. Let's try out, Dolphin Emulator. There's a 32-bit version of Dolphin Emulator, so I'm going to try that on the Amazon Fire Cube right here. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thank you guys for watching. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace. And yeah, I'm going to try this thing out right now after this video gets uploaded.